Hello, Vance. I'm going to do my first animal figurine unboxing, I think. So yeah, I'm not going to show the address, but let's get started. I can't tear this open. Okay. Here it is. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I don't think I've ever been more excited in my life to see a figurine. Look, oh my gosh, he's so warm. It's the Schleich 2002 retired little wolf pup. Oh my god, I got him for only $10. Is it, oh my gosh. I'm very confused on where the person I got this from got it. Maybe from eBay. Maybe they got it and sold it. This is so cool to actually have one. That came out like very long time ago. Move the packaging and anything else. Nope. Okay, let's see. Sorry guys for the background and over there because there's something off our door and we're trying to fix it. Hang on. Okay, so it doesn't even say our address or those things. Yeah, it doesn't say. Oh wait, it does. Yeah, well, whatever. No one's seen it anyway. Oh my gosh. She's so cute. Oh my gosh. You're so cute. Alright, bye guys.